Dear children, let us continue with the same chapter, but I will give you some more exercise problems, right? Okay. Then 5 minus, first one is 5 minus 4 and 1 by 3. Here whole number minus 1 mixed number only. How can we do this? First we need to change 4 and 1 by 3 into improper fraction. That is 4 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3. That is 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 3. After that we need to subtract it from whole number 5, right? That means 5 minus 13 by 3. Children listen here, there is no denominator, right? So we need to make this denominator as 1. Nothing will happen, but it will become one fraction only there, right? So 5 by 1 minus 13 by 3. The LCM of 1 and 3 is what? 3 only. So I need to change 5 by 1 into LCM 3, right? So first fraction will become 1 into 3, 5 into 3. Okay, minus 13 by 3, that fraction itself, because LCM and denominator both are same. Here I will write LCM equals 3. Okay, that is 15 by 3 minus what? 13 by 3. That is 15 minus 13 by 3. It will become what? 2 by 3. Okay, is it clear? And 5 is the whole number 5 divided by 1 minus, it will become what? 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 3. And after that there is no denominator, right? And so I put it here 1. Now it became 5 by 1 minus 13 by 3. It will become what? And the LCM is what? 3 only, right? And I need to change this fraction to equivalent fraction. 1 into 3. So 5 into 3, 15 minus 13 by 3. Okay, now 15 by 3 minus 13 by 3. It will become what? 2 by 3. Answer is what? 2 by 3. Is it? And the next one, 8 minus 2 by 3. Here, 8 minus 2 by 3 is what? Here also, nothing is in the denominator. So, it will become 8 by 1 minus 2 by 3. LCM is what? LCM is 3. So, I need to change this denominator 1 into 3 and the numerator is 8 into 3. Okay, and minus 2 by 3, that is 24 divided by 3 minus 2 by 3. It will become what? 24 minus 2 is what? 22 divided by 3 only. Is it clear, children? And 8 by 1, I simply wrote here 8 by 1. I need to make it into fraction only. After that the LCM is 3 and 1 into 3, 8 into 3. Whatever we need to multiply by the denominator, we need to multiply by the numerator also. And it will become 24 by 3 minus 2 by 3. And it will become what? 22 by 3. After that, whenever the improper fraction will come, I need to change it into what? I need to change it into mixed number. How? 7 and 1 by 3. Is it clear? Okay. Then the next one is 5 and 2 by 3 minus 3. How? 5 and 2 by 3. First I need to change 5 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. Okay. And 3. Simply 3 only, right? 5 and 2 by 3 minus 3 will become 17 by 3 minus 3. Simply 3 only. So I write here denominator 1. So, the LCM is what? 3. LCM equals 3. So, it will become 17 by 3 minus 1 into 3. 3 into 3. That is 17 by 3 minus 9 by 3. It will become what? What only here? 17 minus 9 is what? 8. 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is what? 3 2s are 6, 2 and 2 by 3. Is it clear, children? Okay. And the next one is 4 and 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. First I need to change 4 and 3 by 4. 4 into 4 plus 3 divided by 4. 19 by 4 only, right? And here 4 and 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 will become what? 19 by 4 minus 1 by 2. LCM of 4 and 2 is what? 4 only, right? So 19 by 4 minus 2 into 2, 1 into 2. That is 19 minus 2 divided by 4. That is what only? 17 by 4. 17 by 4 will become what? 4 4s are 16 and 1. That is 4 and 1 by 4. Is it clear, children? 19 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 19 by 4, and the LCM is 4, and after that 19 minus 2 divided by 4, that is 17. Okay. Next one is 3 and 2 by 3 will become what? 3 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, 11 by 3. Then 1 and 1 by 6 will become what? 1 into 6 plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, it will become like this. Okay, after that 3 and 2 by 3 minus 1 and 1 by 6 will become what? 11 by 3 minus 7 by 6. LCM of 3 and 6 is what? That is 6 only, right? So, and 3 into 2. LCM equals 6. 3 into 2, 7 into, not 7 into, that is 11 into 2. 11 into 2. Minus 7 by 6 itself only, because, okay, and 11 2s are 22 divided by 6 minus 7 by 6. That is what? 15 by 6. 6. Okay, 0 3, right? 2 1 3 by 6. But in the lowest term, how can we do this? We need to make 3 by 6 will become what? 1 by 2. We need to divide numerator and denominator by HCF, right? It is the lowest term. Okay. And 5 and 1 by 4 minus 2 and 2 by 3. It is your homework only, right? That you can do it at home. And this one also homework questions, right? Is it clear, children? Okay. Thank you.